Hi, I'm Aubrey from Aubrey Originals. I just wanted to create a quick video to show you the contents of the Tropical Paradise Cricut Mystery Box, which was released March 22nd, 2021, and I finally received it in the mail today. Yay! If you are new to Cricut Mystery Boxes, I have an entire blog post that goes through what they are, what comes in them, and how to get them, because they're very popular and tend to sell out pretty quick. I will put that link below, as well as links to all the items in this mystery box. If you like these videos and want to see more of them, please like the video with a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's open this up. First, we have a roll of regular transfer tape. That's always good to have on hand. The next roll is removable vinyl. And this is the tropical sampler. It looks like you get teal, hot pink, yellow, green, purple, and blue in that. Then we've got a roll of adhesive foil. This is removable matte and the color is teal. And this is even prettier in person. Then a roll of bright yellow vinyl, also removable. Next is a roll of glitter iron-on in fluorescent blue. I've actually never made anything with glitter iron-on, even though I have a few rolls in my stash, but we're not talking about that right now. The next item is a scoring stylus, and this is maybe the only letdown in the box, just because I already have one. But you never know when my toddler will walk away with mine, so it could still come in handy. Here we've got a 5-pack of extra fine point pens in brights. Those are awesome. Finally, we've got a couple pads of mixed materials cardstock. This one has some fun colors, some pinks and greens. In addition to the cardstock, this pack also has some adhesive foil and transfer tape in it. The second pad is called Pink Satin. It's cardstock and party foil, which I have also never used party foil, so I'm excited to try that out. Looks like there's a salmon colored cardstock, cream cardstock, and then gold and rose party foil. As suspected, this mystery box did not include a Cricut cutie. This box was priced at $39.99, which is the lower price point for mystery boxes, and it was not Access exclusive either. So those two things usually mean that a mystery box will not include a cutie. Kind of a bummer, but I still think I got my money's worth with this box. I was actually very pleased with this one. I think mystery boxes are so fun. I hope you try them at least once. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.